here you go. Here's my new planet. Look, isn't that deadly? I'll try and give you a slightly farther away look. And here's the silver one. And when I do the resin and stuff like that, it'll seal all those cracks and everything that you have appearing here. It just makes it look like a distressed space painting. I'm fine with it. It doesn't really affect the beauty of what's the finished product is going to be. This is just this is the result of the base. Remember when I started, the base being too thick, and I continued, I pushed on, and I have since diluted what was left of the base, but this is the after effect. But just because you have something like this happen doesn't mean that the painting is a write-off. The actual, like this is nearly dry, okay? And what we've got here, look at this, look at these amazing colors, right? Look at these, it's so deep. It's just, it's almost 3D, the color scheme, the way it came out here. And what I'm looking at is when I pour that resin onto this thing is gonna pop. It's gonna come up and the colors are gonna come out, especially over here in that corner there. The colors are just gonna come out of this and it's gonna be beautiful. And I wouldn't be surprised if it turned out to be one of my own personal favorites. The cracks in the paintwork, all of that sort of stuff is going to give it character, and will be sealed behind resin. They will never, the cracks will never become more than they are. They will just be part of the picture, and deadly. It's going to be deadly. So I look forward to showing you some more of the progress as. So there we are. It's night time now, so might be the morning when you see me talking again. Bye. Oh, my beautiful girl. Oh, okay. Every day I try to paint, I get this. She's beautiful, aren't you? Oh, there she is. Good girl. Okay, come on, you gotta get down. You're gonna get dog hairs in the paint again, aren't you? Good girl, Piper. Oh, the best girl. Yes. Good girl. Okay, down you go. Go on, get it. Scoot. Scoot, come down. Good job. That's Piper. It's going at the same speed. Do you see it? Look. So that means its consistency is correct for the Dutch pour. So we are good to go. Okay, I'll just finish setting up and then we'll get started.